Today, we are going to be trying halo-halo. At mukha nga pinaghalo-halo nga siya. Corny mo? Pero apparently, marami tong history.
Yeah. And actually, bagay siya sa name niya, no? Kasi halo-halo. Literally
Talaga
means
ba?
mix, bro. Halo-halo, mix. It makes
Tama
sense.
nga.
It makes sense. So, kung magulo siya, parang intended na yun, di ba?
Tama. At bago natin guluhin mas lalo,
Uy, akin na yun.
check natin muna yung mga iba't ibang layers niya. Meron siyang ube, may shaved ice, may banana,
Tapos yung banana.
ngayon no?
Ito.
Tapos may mga jelly, may mga kung ano man. Parang lahat ng nasa ref, pinagsama lang.
So, actually, true, no? Pero, hindi lang random yan eh. Like, yung root crops niya, meron na yan even before colonization. Colonization? Oh my God, bro.
Tapos actually, yung shaved ice, galing sa Chinese influence yan. Parang early version ng mga ice desserts. Then, during the American period, nagkaroon pa ng refrigeration.
Refrigeration?
So, mas naging accessible yung mga ice, mga yellow pare. Basically,
Pare!
naging possible na maghalo-halo ng ganitong ka-OA.
Omsin pare. And yung sweetness niya, it's like preserved, no? And like, yung fruits and beans, that's like from Spanish influence.
Wow.
Since na-expand yung sugar production. So parang buong history ng Philippines, nandito na.
God.
Can you believe that?
Angas
pare?
naman.
Oo nga pare. Like, sorry.
Anyway,
I'm so, like,
ito na ang
amazed.
pinaka-iniintay natin. Yung most important part. At syempre, yung pagka-mix-mix talaga niya.
Uy.
At pagtapos natin yung mix-mix, yung next important part. Syempre, pagkain namin to eh.
Oh my gosh. Parang gumulo, pero feeling ko dito siya sasarap eh. Like, but actually it tastes so good. No?
Okay. Ang sarap niya. Ang lamig din. It's perfect sa heat ngayon. Creamy, tapos may onting chewiness, tapos may crunchy din. So, parang lahat na din nakaka-surprise na. Kagagat mo.
Yeah. Parang wala siyang consistent na lasa. Pero, it's like, ano eh, it works. Parang siyang organized chaos.
Wow, organized chaos.
Yeah, parang relationship mo.
True, sa kanya yan. And honestly, ganun din ang Philippines. Halo-halo ng iba't ibang cultures. Pero, it works.
Sa bagay, no?
Yeah.
So like, halo-halo.
Magulo, pero masarap. Pinoy na Pinoy.
Omsi, pare.
Okay, so tapos na tayo sa halo-halo right now. Ano ba yung meron tayo, AJ?
We have
Pakita mo yan.
bibingka.
Ang social ng bibingka namin.
Yeah, totoo. Bibingka na kasi.
Magkano to? 500. So look at this. So may bibingka tayo. Now, ano ba? Ano bang meron sa bibingka?
Bibingka is a traditional Filipino rice cake that dates back in the colonial times. Usually makikita natin to around sa mga simbahan, and they really sold a lot, but like this one really looks expensive. Pero the usual one they use yung parang tube-like thing, and tube-like thing hindi, di ba?
Ano ba? Hindi siya tube. Ano siya?
Hindi siya tube.
It's not like this.
Yes, like parang ano siya, like parang binibake but like in the open.
Yeah, in the open.
Yeah, like using those
So sa...
clay-like stoves.
Yeah, correct.
So,
Yeah, it
and
works.
so we kind of bought an assorted flavor. So madami siya. May ube, tapos ito yung
Yung original.
Ano yung isa? Oh, sige,
Well,
basta
yun na.
yun na ata yan. Okay.
Let's taste test.
Let's taste.
Bibingka.
Malita.
For what it's worth, I'll be honest, it's really good.
Yeah, it's very good.
It's like, would I buy it again? Maybe.
I would buy it.
Like, isang peraso, what, 65?
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Pero usually may mas malaking sizes pa neto.
Kasi bumili kami sa
Sa mall.
mall, so medyo may price siya. But other than that, it's really good.
Mm-mm.
So ito yung original. So it roots from, if I'm not mistaken, Austronesian way of cooking na open flame siya, pero gagamit ka ng clay pot to cook the entire thing on banana leaves.
Yeah.
And, what we have here is another expensive.
It is the widely known taho. Though,
Medyo special yung taho na to.
because yeah,
Bakit sa tingin mo?
kasi may ano ata, may laman ata siya. May dagdag, kumbaga.
So, pakita mo. Well, hindi siya makikita but
Wait,
huwag mo
pwede
itapon
ata.
yung ano. Hindi. Makahulog yan. So, it's basically taho. Now, taho, ano lang naman siya. Na-introduce siya sa atin ng
Mga Chinese.
Chinese. So,
Yeah.
silken tofu lang talaga siya. And, ayun, so from that, na-develop na siya into having yung arnibal, yung gulaman, something, yung mga bola-bola.
Yung sago.
Yeah, yung sago actually, sorry. So, yun yung roots niya and this one's not that strong.
Yeah, considering na it has yung
Yung surprise.
ito na yung surprise.
So, the surprise itself is another dessert. This dessert is not rooted din sa Pilipinas, no? It's
kumbaga na manifest natin from the Spaniards.
Yes.
It is the leche flan.
Pangalan niya is flan de leche. So, it uses egg, condensed milk. Tapos, may special ano yan para hindi siya magbula. Pero, it's another dessert. So, it's a dessert within a dessert. As a
Tama na.
dessert, it's not sweet at all. It's really good. Kasi nga, puro dessert yung mismong taho.
It balances it out.
Yeah, kumbaga yung arnibal nila less sweet and then yung leche flan is where you get most of the sweetness as well. So, it's good. Pero yeah, kapag wala na yung leche flan sa yung kay AJ wala na yung lahat eh. Kaya medyo maglalak siya sa sweetness, but other than that, it's really good. Next, kumbaga our final course is this.
It is
So,
the gulaman.
Bumili kami,
Gulaman.
pero gulaman siya. Traditionally, gulaman tawag dyan palamig, di ba? So, galing yan sa agar-agar, then yung jelly naman niya gawa sa seaweed. Tapos, actually, hindi din siya galing sa Pilipinas, but it was introduced to us, yung way of making, and yung mismong gulaman itself, through tradings natin no, sa Southeast Asian countries, brothers and sisters natin. So, it's still not original from us, but wala naman talagang original sa mundo, di ba?
Morally, ano naman talaga, like sadyang ito yung mga kadalasang pagkain na palagi mo na nakikita sa labas, kumbaga sa mga street foods and everything. To the point where we have embraced it as ours na basically. Considering na this was bought from a mall, normally this would be served through plastic cups since again, street food siya. Normally served with kwek-kweks, good balls, usually mga ganon. Or
Chaser.
mga chaser, ganon. Pero ayun, kaya parang nakakakilabot na oh grabe Pilipino, nakabote.
Like, holy, look at that. Look at that packaging. Like,
Packaging pa yan.
yung packaging pa lang, dito napunta 90% ng halaga eh. Yan yung ube.
Ito yung ube guys. Purple siya. Purple. Hindi makita pero like, it's there.
Basta, mantiwala lang kay ube siya.
Two bites.
Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi.